Welcome to Omi-Studio. Here, you will learn in detail about ONBASE. This course equips professionals with the skills to manage documents and automate workflows using the ONBASE ECM platform.
For this next part of the form, I want to ask my couples how they envision their big day. Do they have a theme? What are your colors? You should sit next to Aunt Edna. This is going to be quite a bit of information. And trying to store all this information in a single-line text box isn't going to be the best way. At times, end users may need to provide an explanation or a description of an event. This is best for multi-line text boxes. I'm going to add this to the bottom of my form, so I'm just going to double-click. Change my label to "What is your wedding theme?" Now this next property you're definitely going to want to take a look at for multi-line text boxes. We have rows. Rows is going to dictate how tall this multi-line text box is. Let's set this to 5 rows, and let's take it for a test drive. Now even if your end user enters in more than 5 lines of text, it's going to add a scroll bar to the right side.